Hayden. Let's talk about your day, okay? It says that you ate all your veggies, and you had a bowel movement, and you're out of wipes, and let me see, mister, and that you ate all your food. And it looks like you ate your mama and your cereal. Let's take a look at this thing here. And you were silly. And they just said you were laughing up a storm today. Because you're silly goose. Silly goose. Who's a silly monkey? Who's a silly monkey? Miss Silly. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. I'm almost 8 months old because I'm a silly monkey. Hi, Hayden. Silly goose, you don't put that tongue in your mouth. Say bye-bye. Oh, you trying to kick me? Who's this silly monkey? Say bye-bye.